Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making potato wedges. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need 3 potatoes, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, canola oil, and parsley to garnish. Add your water and sugar to a pot, then bring to a boil. Now add the potato wedges and allow them to cook for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, turn off your heat, then remove the wedges from the pot. This process will leave your potatoes both golden and crispy. Place the wedges on paper towels and allow them to dry for 5 minutes. To a small bowl, add your thyme and garlic powder. Now add the Old Bay seasoning and black pepper, then mix until well combined. Add your wedges to a large bowl, then coat with the canola oil. Now season the wedges with your seasoning mixture. Sprinkle on your cornstarch, then mix until evenly coated. Place your wedges on a baking sheet lined with foil, then transfer it to your preheated oven. Allow the wedges to cook for 20 minutes, then flip them and return them to the oven and continue to cook for an additional 20 minutes. Remove them from the oven, then top them with your kosher salt and parsley. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We're getting to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. And so for cooking class, you will learn to